Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find downloads on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you have downloaded anything using your browser or from anywhere else and now you want to get your downloads, let's see how can you do that. So here you can see there's the browser, and if you have downloaded anything from your browser, so let's see how can you find that in your iPhone. Just go back and here open your Files app. In your Files app, you just have to tap on this browse option here. So once you are on your browse, you just have to select on my iPhone. So in your iPhone, you will get all of the folders you have in your iPhone. So now from here, you just have to simply tap on downloads to see all of your downloads here. So in this way, you can easily find your downloads on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.